Oh, okay. Good evening, Mister. My name is Oscar Lovo. Um, I am a student from Didactic Workshop 2, and it's a pleasure to me to present right now an ELT materials. Something that I wanted to say at the beginning of this that are going to talk about it is that it's really important what you did, that we have to develop first our materials in order to have an open mind. What are we going to put inside a lesson plan? Because I start with my lesson plan first of all, and then I choose my material. But this one is really an excellent way of working. Okay. Okay. For the late stage material, in this case, during the warm up, I did a ball with a in this material. I did a ball with papers, and I wrote different kind of adjectives inside the papers, and putting it in a ball, and then gather together the student in a circle and throw the ball, and then going to take one of those paper and read it aloud. And that's gonna be because my theme, my topic is about describing people, and we use adjectives. In this case, in the late station material, I use inside the warm-up. This what I trying to explain to you. Then in the input section, I set um, a video that is about where many adjectives describe people. The student, um, something that I want have to explain with this material that is really important for the student, because they can hear and see, and that is better for them to understand what is inside here and what they can watch. And that means that it's going to handle more information, and because visual colors and everything is going to change the weight of learning of a student. They will be able to understand how to use attitude to describe people. And one of those activities, student pay, we're gonna pay attention to the video about an adjectives. That's really important. Okay, when they, as I told you, when they see this one is gonna be different for them, because okay, visual context, they can hear a lot better, and they can produce something. That is one of my material that I use it as a video, and explain, and during this video, that there is two kind, we're gonna they explain that there are two kind of adjective for describing people, those to refer to the appearance, and those that refer to personality. As a teacher, I'm going to introduce my theme, my topic here, and I'm going to try to help my student to understand those kind of adjectives. Okay, and through different activities. Then we go to the another material that I use it is that is really important. They're going to produce learning in the learning stage. We got a magazine. A student will find many photos and the famous people, in which they can use to describe, and using adjective. They're gonna use the adjectives through knowing the different actor, actress. I mean, they know or they known. Okay, the teacher will make a group of, in this. I remember that during my lesson plan in this stage, learning stage, I'm going to develop. I'm going to divide the group in group of five. Okay, and they will, and I'm gonna give them a magazine, and then they're gonna look for different kinds of person, maybe they can say, oh, I know him. Okay, and he is going to describe him through using adjectives. That is really important for them. Okay, student work, they're gonna work in group, they're gonna participate, practice the adjective, and looking for the actor and actresses and of famous people that is inside the magazines, and describe they're going to describe them. Okay, what else do we have here? In the use stage, I got another material. Student will be use what they produce during the class. They produce a lot since they work. They break the ice in the warm up. They're going to produce something, and then we're gonna go to the through the video, then to the magazine, and something that inside the magazine they can cut, paste, and do an album inside there, and describe the people that is going to be in the album, and they also going to describe them what using different kind of adjectives. And then in the use state, as what I told you, is that the student will have to produce what they did during the class, the whole stages, and that's gonna give at the end an evaluation. We're going to evaluate him through different kind of activities. That's really important when we do everything in from the first stage through the last stage. That's gonna be, we're going to work with them, continually working with an with like a constructivism methodology, okay, or method that is going to be during the whole class, that we're going to evaluate them. But at the end, we can do this one different, asking them, producing something, okay, saying, doing, making what we did during the whole classes. Okay, what else can I say this one? Okay, um, these stages are really important for us as a future teachers. I'm a teacher, but this one changed my point of view, opened my mind. How to work with these stages is really important, because it's like go through step by step, and the student is going to get this one. That is really um, important. Thank you, Mr., and have a good evening. And I will see you next on the next video or next class. Thank you.